Hi, I'm Trixie Isabel Mendoza, the editor-in-chief of Yummy.ph, and today we're making my mom's Molo soup. My mom's Molo soup always reminds me of being home, of Christmas, and of family. I always didn't like the whole idea of preparing it. I'm sorry, Ma. I was always the designated assistant in the kitchen. Every year on December 24, I was assigned to chop carrots and help with all the other dishes we were serving on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Christmas was also my mom's birthday, and as I grew older, I learned that my mom's love language was service. She was always feeding us, and even on her birthday, there she was, prepping meals for the whole family. The family always looked forward to her Molo soup. It was comforting, it had a flavorful broth, it had all the right umami flavors. My cousins would often ask if she was making it that year, and she'd make enough for them to take home. A great way to check if your meat has been seasoned properly is to cook a small meatball from your meat mixture. From there, you can check if you need more salt or pepper before you wrap the whole batch in Molo wrapper. Now that I have a family of my own, I realize how important family rituals are. I remember that first Christmas, the year my twin brother passed. We were all trying to be happy. My mom's Molo soup offered a semblance of normalcy. That things were the same, that things were okay. I want my own daughter to have that kind of ritual, a memory that she can look back on. Ironically, I haven't really tried recreating it on my own because my mom still makes it every year. My mom wrote down the recipe for Yummy's 10th anniversary issue, and we're sharing it with everyone. I hope you feel the same warmth and comfort it gives us. It really tastes like home.